So yesterday I was praying and I said, Lord, can you fill my pond up? It's getting really empty and it looks so much nicer when my pond is full. So last night, about an hour later, it started thunderstorming and downpouring. So my pond got filled up and it was overfloweth. So it settled. I was telling Dan how I was praying and I was like, Lord, can you just fill my pond? And he told me I need to be a little bit more specific with God about how much I want, how much water I want, because he will overflow with me. So I want to show you guys, we just had some rain. I want to kind of show you guys what the pond looks like. I ended up putting the dye in it the other day, and I didn't put the dye in the other side of the pond. Just ran out of time, it got dark. So with this rain that we got, actually is draining the dye into the other side of the pond, which is really cool because it's giving me less work. So I want to show you guys a glimpse. It is overflowing right now because we just had a heavy rain, but it will recede down. But this is what it looks like right now, right after a rainstorm. Lord, filled my pond all over again. So let me show you. Also, you can also see how the waterfall looks after we put the new pump and stuff on. So I'm going to turn my camera around and I'll show you guys.